We are back in action. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today, here I'm just going to do a little vlogs type video about what's been going on. That you've seen that we are back in action and we are getting the second gen Ram Mud Truck to Show Truck project build out to its first show. But first, let me finish tightening up this air cleaner and I'll be right back with you. We just finished some of the last minute details here on the second gen Ram Mud Truck to Show Truck project vehicle, and we are pleased to announce that we are back. And we are going to start showing this vehicle out at different shows. So make sure you guys follow me on Facebook and check me out over there at the Wicked Fabz page, because we will be posting on some of the shows that we'll be attending. But we got the swag all packed up. It's pretty much well buttoned up for now until we start the next phase of the build. If you follow me on Facebook, you would have known back in, I think it was the beginning of June, I did a post where I broke down in Kingston, Pennsylvania, going to their first cruise night show down there. And it was in a busy intersection, but we had Jeff come down to get us. And then he came down with the rollback, he picked us up. And then hopefully we fixed that problem. We thought it was a fuel pump. And then we also changed the cam sensor in it. So we believe we took care of that problem. And then back in the end of May, we had an overheating problem when we first started test running the vehicle. And that was a stuck thermostat. So we think we got all the bugs worked out. We're ready to show it, and we are super excited about all that. And we're hoping to see you guys all at the 35th annual A&A 4-Wheel Jamboree in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania tomorrow. Or it'll be this weekend, which will be tomorrow, because you'll see this video Thursday. I'm doing this video a couple days beforehand. So I'll probably already be down there setting things up. The truck will be down there along with a 4th gen Ram that we're taking down there, which is our support vehicle, which is our parts getter. And we have the Jeep Renegade Trailhawk going down with us. And we also, coming back with us, is the 2012 Chevy Silverado, the red one that we did last year out at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs. And hopefully making a guest appearance with us will be Jeff, aka the Legend, from the body shop, coming down to answer all your body shop questions and needs. Well, guys, I just wanted to apologize for the lack of content lately, because we've just been so busy on getting this done. I had some personal issues this whole month I had to take care of in the end of last month. But we're hoping that things are behind us now and we're getting back on track. And we're going to start showing this vehicle and bringing you guys better content and start getting out to more shows and showing you more car-related videos and car show videos from the different local shows I do and from a national level. Well, if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. And if you didn't like this video, hopefully the next one you guys will like. Well, that's really much all that I got for you for today. But just hope to see you guys down there. I'll have, like I said, some swag with us, some t-shirts, some stickers. So come check me out. Get one before they're gone. We'll be selling them down there. And then stop by, say hi. Let me know what you're driving or what truck you brought. And maybe we'll get your vehicle in a video. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.